You're at the high nibble for the more significant bits. In a previous video, we've looked at the serially connected terminal, or TTY device, for the desktop UI on the IMSAI 8080 Replica. In this video, we're going to look at the other console device, the IMSAI VIO, or CRT device. Let's boot into CPM and see what we're looking at. The IMSAI VIO is a memory-mapped character display device. This was developed to avoid the cost of having to buy a serially connected terminal for your IMSAI 8080. The S100 expansion card came with 2K of video display RAM and a 2K VIO ROM. The VIO is capable of displaying 80 columns and 24 lines of character-based text. You can see on this CPM 2.2 boot disk that the last two commands include a V in their name. They are, in fact, VIO-specific commands. If we issue a regular CLS, you'll notice it just outputs a few characters. This command is trying to issue a clear screen escape command sequence compatible with a VT100, and so it has no effect on the VIO. Instead, there's the CLSV command, which will clear the VIO display. The other command is vmode, which shows you some of the things that the VIO is capable of. By default, the VIO runs in uppercase, but using the vmode U command, we can switch it into lowercase mode. You notice the text output by CPM is still in uppercase, but the commands we're typing at the system prompt are now in lowercase. The VIO is also capable of displaying 40 or 80 columns of text, or 12 or 24 lines of text, and all combinations of those two. We can switch the columns and lines using vmode. So now in 40 column mode. And now in 40 column and 12 line mode. The VIO is also capable of displaying inverse video. And the VIO includes a complete character ROM with 6-till graphics and a line drawing character set extension. Z80 pack comes with a disk of extra VIO examples. We'll switch to that disk now and have a look at what we've got. On this disk, you'll find 3 different versions of the electric pencil, a text-based Space Invaders called Aliens, a text-based Pac-Man, and a dungeon crawling explorer game called Crawl. Let's fire up the Space Invaders. You'll notice that this doesn't take any advantage of the extended character set of the VIO, but just uses standard ASCII characters. And this is typical of most applications that I've found that are configured to work with the VIO. I have not yet found any examples that use the inbuilt character extensions for the VIO. The VIO ROM provides character terminal emulation. I believe it's compatible with the LSI ADM3A because the version of WordMaster that comes on this CPM boot disk has, as you can see, both an ANSI version and an LSI version, and the LSI version works well with the VIO. If you want to learn more about the VIO, I've included a link to the VIO documentation in the description below. A few extra features I've included in the desktop UI are the ability to go full screen with the VIO, and in addition, as not everybody likes white text, you can change to green screen and cycle through amber screen and back to white. And the other option I've included is the ability to take a screen capture. So when you make that fantastic high score in Aliens, you can take a screen capture, and there it is, saved as a regular PNG file on your local machine. I hope you've enjoyed this look at the IMSAI VIO simulation or CRT device for the desktop user interface on the IMSAI 8080 Replica. If you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more, please hit subscribe to be notified of when new videos are released.